Hi, how is everybody? Happy spooky season.
Some of you may be wondering, what am I this Halloween? I'm a bilby. Duh.
What are you? I'm a mouse. Duh.
I have rummaged through absolutely everything I own, and I have not one thing that is scary or spooky. Not a skull, not a pumpkin, nothing. So I let the spider in my bathroom construct the spider web for me, so that was easy. I think they started in September. I can't really find the spider now, I don't know where it went. And I also decided to use my fairy lights to spell boo. Are you scared? Before we start today, if you would like to see any other of my videos, they will be up in the eye. Alright, so I know what everyone's thinking. You're painting your mirror. Is that going to be permanent? Is it? I'm 99% sure this mirror is made out of glass. And I'm also 99% sure that my acrylic paints are water-based. So acrylic paint doesn't usually stick to mirrors, windows, anything that's made out of glass tables. So I think I should be safe to paint with my paints on this mirror today. Now here comes the hard part of this entire thing, is that I will not be able to sketch on this mirror. I will just have to freehand everything that I paint. And I'm terrified of this. I don't know if I can actually do that. Am I gonna wear these ears while I paint? I've kind of committed to being a bilby, so I guess who doesn't want to get paint on her? Alright, so here's my vision. Jack and Sally on this corner of the mirror. A nice little oogie boogie man moon. The little ghost dog. A graveyard scene with the little swirly hill that Jack and Sally climb up on. Can I paint that? Remains to be seen. Let's get started, I guess. Oh, I forgot my ears. There we go, sorry. And contact. Is that what Laura DIY does? How do I make a nose? He has a nose? I had no idea that he has a nose. How do I make a nose? Oh Lord. Maybe I'll make the mouth first. Okay. What if I just left it like that? Should I just leave it like that? Does anyone else think that Jack is slightly selfish? He's lamenting about his own pains. And he's kind of selfish. So let's talk about Halloween, shall we? My experience with Halloween, because I grew up in a kind of international environment. I wasn't in a country that celebrated Halloween hardcore or anything, but at my school we'd always used to dress up and have a Halloween day and costumes. I won a lot of those creative costume things. I was never something that was spooky or things like that, because I just don't like scary things in general. I'm more of a scaredy cat when it comes to those kind of things. I don't even watch horror movies or anything. I'm fine with reading creepy stories or listening to creepy stories, creepy podcasts. I listen to a lot of BuzzFeed Unsolved and paranormal activities, but I just don't really like jump scares, and I don't like things that are too gruesome. I feel what's the point of watching that? My favorite Halloween movie is Mean Girls. Is it a Halloween movie? I want it to be under the Halloween section so bad. I think that would make perfect sense. Hashtag Mean Girls is a Halloween movie. How many stitches do you need before you're Sally, girl, Stop getting into injuries. You keep getting stitches. I would have assumed that only her body was made out of stitches, but now I'm realizing that her dress is also made out of stitches. So does she just have no body underneath her dress? Is her body just gone? Like, that makes no sense. Okay, now I kind of want to add some clouds in the sky and some pumpkins. That's a cloud. Kind of looks like a sheep. And another one. Another one. We the best music. DJ Khaled. Another one. Okay, cloud. Work. Should I give the pumpkin eyes? Of course I should. Can't leave them out with no eyes. I'm gonna add a little heart above their heads, because even though it's Halloween, love still exists. So there you have it, my Halloween scene on my mirror painting. I think I kind of like it. I might leave it like this until actual Halloween and then take it down. I just realized that I have something creepy to decorate with. It's this monstrosity that I made in one of my other videos. After looking through all my belongings again, I think I found a couple of other things that are kind of scary that I could decorate with. So yeah, there's that minion that's kind of lurking behind these hands. I chopped off the head of a unicorn and put a light in it, so I think that's kind of scary. The South Australian Driver's Handbook. It's kind of scary because you have to like go through all these quizzes and things, and I'm learning how to drive, and driving is, you know, it's kind of scary. And then this rose, it's dead, so that's scary. And also my epilator, because if that's not scary, then I don't know what is. So yeah, if you want some ideas for some scary decorations, you've come to the right place, because obviously I have scary decorations. I might show you how this looks at nighttime, because the lights look really cool and the mirror and the spider web also looks really cool. So here's some shots of it during the night. Alright, you know the drill. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe. My Instagram and Twitter are linked down below, but I also put them up on the screen. And if you have any ideas for what you want my next video to be, comment them down below. And I'll see y'all next time. You know.